ठीक है चलो.
Good morning, students. Today we will do numericals related to refraction of light. First numerical is find the position, nature and size of image of object 3 centimeter high placed at a distance of 9 centimeter from a concave lens of focal length 18 centimeter. Also find power of lens. So first of all we will write down what is the type of lens. So lens is concave lens, and we know that in concave lens U, V and F all are negative. So object distance is 9 centimeter. Minus 9 centimeter I have put the sign. Focal length is minus 18 centimeter. H1 is height of object and it is plus 3 centimeter because object is kept above principal axis. We want to calculate V and power of lens. Power of lens. So we will apply lens formula 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 by F. 1 upon V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. We want to calculate V. Take this minus 1 by U to that side, it will become plus. 1 upon V is equal to minus 1 by 18 plus minus 1 by 9. So 1 by V is equal to minus 1 by 18 plus minus is minus 1 by 9. LCM is 18. 18 divided by 18 is 1. 1 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 1. Minus sign. 18 divided by 9 is 2. 2 multiplied by 1 is minus 2. So it is minus 3 by 18. Cut it. Minus 1 by 6. And V will be minus 6 centimeter. Minus 6 centimeter. It means what is nature? Nature of lens is nature of image formed is virtual and erect, and it is formed on left hand side of the lens. Power is 100 by F. 100 by minus 18. So power is 50 by 9 minus 50 by 9. It is minus 5.5 diopter. Diopter is the unit or power of lens. Second numerical, a convex lens forms, lens is convex, a real image 4 times magnified at a distance of 60 centimeter from the lens. Calculate focal length and power of lens. So lens is convex lens. Magnification is given minus 4. No unit. Why I have written minus 4? Because image is real formed and real images are formed below the principal axis. So they have negative sign. And image is formed at a distance of 60 centimeter from the lens. So V is plus 60 centimeter. In convex lens, real images are formed on right hand side. We will find out focal length and power. That we have to find out. So magnification is V upon U. Minus 4 is equal to 60 upon U. Multiply U with minus 4. Minus 4U is equal to 60. U is 60 upon minus 4 minus 15 centimeter. That is object distance. Now we will find out focal length. 1 by f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. 1 by f is equal to v is 60 centimeter minus 1 by 15. So 1 by f is equal to 1 by 60 plus 1 by 15. So 1 by f is equal to LCM of 60 and 15 is 60. 60 divided by 60 is 1. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. Plus 60 divided by 15 is 4. 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. So it is 5 by 60. 1 by 12. So focal length is, reverse it. It is 1 by f, reverse it. It will become 12 centimeter. And it is plus 12 centimeter. It means that convex lens has focal length positive. Now power of lens will be 100 by f. So power of lens is 100 by 12. 100 by 12 means 25 by 25 4 ja 100 and 4 3 ja 12. 25 by 3 diopter. Converging lens has focal length 250 millimeter. Calculate its power and express it according to sign convention. Lens is convex lens. Its focal length is 250 millimeter and it is equal to 250 divided by 10, 25 centimeter. So power is equal to 100 by f, 100 by focal length, 100 by 25, 4. This is equal to plus 4 diopter. I have put plus sign according to sign convention because focal length of convex lens is always positive. Next numerical is, you have three lenses L1, L2 and L3 of powers plus 10 diopter, plus 5 diopter and minus 10 diopter respectively. State the nature and focal length of each lens. Also find combined power of combination of lenses. Now lens L1, we have to find out its focal length. So f1 will be equal to 100 by p1. 100 by p1 is, power is 10 diopter plus 10 diopter. So it is 10 centimeter. Now focal length is plus, so it is convex lens. It is convex lens. Second lens is L2. We have to find out f2. 100 by p2. 100 by 5 diopter. 20 centimeter. It is plus, so it is convex lens. L3 is, focal length of third lens is 100 by p3 and it's having minus 10 diopter power, so its focal length is minus 10 centimeter. Therefore it is concave lens. Concave lens. Now combined power of combination. Combined power of combination is equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3. This is equal to 10 plus 5 minus 10. 10 and 10 cancel, plus 5 diopter is combination. And plus diopter plus 5 means the whole combination of lenses will behave like a converging lens. Thank you.